just an angel investor that's not accredited. There are a lot of folks watching this that are angel investors that don't realize it.
Can you just maybe 30 seconds or so tell us about angel investing, like your thoughts? Because I didn't realize that you actually tapped into that world pretty big.
Yeah, well, look, it's a world like anything else that we've talked about, whether it's the music industry, whether it's the media industry, whether it's the angel investing world. I think that people, at least in my life experience, it's surprisingly easy to get involved in things. Like if you ask the average person, how do you get involved in angel investing? Because of how they're programmed, they think it's impossible. If you ask the average person, hey, how do you get your music on the TV network globally and be seen by tens of millions of people simultaneously? It's impossible. How do you own a national media brand with over 100 years of history? It's mentally impossible for most people. But I just don't see things that way. And so I think that people should look into what are the steps to be an angel investor. Technically speaking, that term is a very lenient term. There are definitely people watching this that are angel investors that don't even realize that they're angel investors, right? Now, to be an accredited angel investor is a different story. You have to prove a certain net worth. You have to work with organization. But just an angel investor that's not accredited, there are a lot of folks watching this that are angel investors that don't realize it. If you've invested, have you ever invested in a business, Tony?
Absolutely.
Then you're an angel investor. Now, you might not be an accredited angel investor, right? That requires some work to do. But with that being said, since you asked about just angel investing and it's just investing in general, from my understanding. And so, I don't think people should just be working for money. I think money should be working for them, as you well know, because I know that that's something that you're well versed in, judging by all those books and posters I see behind you. And so with that being said,
academic.
There you go.
Yeah.
But you're an academic that does a lot of academics. I know a lot of academics, and what they're good at doing is they're good at the world of academia. Yeah. But you actually are rolling up your sleeves and getting into real world business, which I respect.
That's
you're not just in the
story,
academic. Yeah, you're not just in the academic bubble. Which,
this
by
is
the
your
way,
show, though.
No, but by the way,
on your podcast, I'll tell you the whole story.
We'll do that very soon, sir.